Hi everyone! What are you planning to make for Chinese New Year's Eve dinner? For my family's Chinese New Year dinner, we always have a steamed dish or dishes. Why? Because steam in Chinese, 蒸 is the beginning of a phrase, 蒸蒸日上, which means thriving and booming, going up. So it's a lucky dish. So today I'm going to share with you steamed rice meatballs, or you can call meatballs with rice, or literally in Chinese, pearl meatballs, 珍珠丸子. Let me show you the ingredients. I soaked 1 cup of sticky rice, also known as sweet rice, over 5 hours now. I can show you, this is full soaking. Don't they look like pearls? So they're round, shorter green, sweet rice, sticky rice, of course, the sticky and sweet. And I have about a half pound of ground pork. I have 2 green onions. As I always say, we separate the white part from the green part. Just chop them very finely. So add this to the meat, and the green part we're going to use for garnish. So green onions, and I'm going to just grate some carrots. That should be enough for garnish. Now we're going to season the pork with salt. Should be enough. White pepper powder. Shaoxing cooking wine, if you have it. And then we'll grate some ginger. Good. And add some potato starch, or you can use cornstarch. And 1 egg white. Receive the egg yolk. And mix. Let's just mix well. It's best to use our hand. And we add some sesame oil. Now I'm going to rinse the rice for a few times and drain the water. Now we're ready to make the meatballs. Just put a liner in the steamer. Just grab a piece like that. It's about a tablespoon. And make it into a bowl like that. And roll into the rice. Okay. And grab some rice. Just press on gently like that. And that's our pearl meatball. First one. Okay. Just roll it. Grab some rice. Cover it. Press it. And give a shake, so get rid of excess rice, and like that. Do you want to try?
I'd love to try it. Let me come over.
Here you go.
How do I do it? Just take a little
Grab
bit.
a piece. We'll do together, right?
Okay.
Grab a piece. Just about
Is that enough?
tablespoon. Don't need to be so accurate.
Okay.
Go
Okay.
into a meatball.
Yep.
And
Mine's a little-
now,
Okay.
too small yours. Add more.
Oh, right, there we go. Oh, I didn't wash my hands. Oh, no, I did.
You're fired.
Then just
No,
do this.
sorry. I shouldn't say that. Not good for New Year. You're hired. Right,
Wow.
give a press.
This is easy.
Yeah.
I like it.
Okay. And shake off the excess rice. Okay. Here we go.
Oh,
Isn't it fun?
it's fun.
Okay, let me continue to make it. Here's the last one, mini one. Perfect. We just made the 12 of them. 12 is for 12 months for the year. And we're ready to steam. Water is boiling. Let's place a steamer. Cover it. We're going to steam about 25 minutes. Almost 25 minutes. Just make sure if you don't see bubbling around the steamer, add hot water. I added hot water, so this way we don't burn the pot or the steamer. Are you ready?
Oh, let's see it. Wow,
Wow,
looks great.
does it like a pearls?
It does.
And we just garnish with some green onions, some color, and grated carrots. There's a fortune, it's coming. Wow, smells so good.
Wow, looks
Looking beautiful. Want to try it?
great. I would love to try it.
And the mini one and the big one. We should open one, right?
Yeah.
Show everybody. There you go.
Wow, looks so good. Beautiful.
Ready to try it?
I'm ready.
Enjoy.
Wow. Delicious.
Savory inside, sweet outside. Perfect combination, right?
I love the rice on the outside. So good.
So delicious.
Wow.
Perfect dish for Chinese New Year's Eve, right? Not only symbolizing thriving and booming, good luck, also the round shape symbolize the reunion of the family, 团团圆圆. So please try to make it. You
Wow,
can
so
prepare,
good.
right? Day
I'm
earlier.
busy eating.
You're too busy eating.
Oh my God, this is great. Awesome.
Don't
Love
they
it.
look like a pearls?
They do. They do.
Actually, this is a Sichuan dish.
Fantastic.
Very popular Sichuan dish.
Wow.
Are you going to wish everybody Happy New Year?
I am. 恭喜发财，红包拿来。
恭喜发财 in Cantonese. 恭喜发财. And the second part, Mr. Cameron said, 红包拿来. Give me red envelope. Yeah. Just want to wish everybody a wonderful new year of the tiger and all the happiness in the house. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.